At Aaron's, we know life has changed. If you need the flexibility of rent-to-own for electronics, appliances, and computers to keep life moving, shop at Aaron's.com, where we're always open. Or check out apply.aarons.com to discover your leasing power. Then you'll have the confidence of knowing you're already approved before you head to the store to shop. There's no credit needed and no long-term commitment, and we offer flexible payments and free home delivery. Aaron's makes it easy to get what you need when you need it.